Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Amazon. We ended the day at 34.4424, and that put us down right around 40 bucks on the day, or almost a little over 1% from the previous trading session. Now we are currently sitting right on this, you can see ascending trend line here that we have drawn. We're basically sitting right on that, and basically it's where that 38.2 fib level is. It's going to be right there at those 34.31s. We did hold above that today, even though we kind of came back down and visited. So the good news is we did close above that. So we're going to see if we can hold that going forward. That's going to be our first support. Below that, we're looking at this 200-day moving average here, currently trading at 33.61. And then below that, it is going to be that 50% fib all the way down here, right around that 33.28 area. Now, resistance wise, what exactly are we going to be looking at? Well, that high that we printed in here today, or I'm sorry, Friday, that early morning high that we had, 35.18, that's going to be our first resistance, but that 3,500 is a big psychological level. So just chalk it up to 3,500 in here. Above that, we are going to be looking at this 23.6 fib. That's going to be all the way up here at your 35.60s. And then above that, you're going to have a nice little hiccup here right around those 3,600s before we can get back to that 100% fib retrace. But really, all we're looking at is that $3,500 level. And then we're going to try to see if we can get up to those 35.60s here sometime soon. But first, we have to make sure that this ascending trend line here is going to hold. That's basically sitting right on that 38.2 fib level in here. RSI 31, stochastics 44, both relatively oversold compared to itself. IV ranking here, you got some good juice at 28, raw IV in the 28s, basically in your low 30s throughout all your expiration cycles. Everyone is pricing in right around an $87 expected move by next Friday. The following Friday, 124. The Friday after that, 157. If you go out to your January monthlies, everyone is pricing in right around 230 bucks. And we do have earnings coming up on February 1st, and that is going to be right around almost 50 something days away. So about 52 days away from now is going to be your earnings report. So we'll have to wait for a couple more weeks before we start getting that earnings IV in here. But until then, we're going to see if this 38.2 fib level will hold and kind of confirm this trend line in here once more. And then perhaps we can get a nice little bounce again up to that 23.6 fib level in here on the daily chart. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description. And we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.